Hello again. So in this video we're going to be starting the machining of the pump casting. So the first job we'll do is we'll remove all the burrs off of these sides so we can hold it in the chuck accurately. And the tool I'll use is this watchmaking file, which is a first, second and third cut file all in one. So we'll probably only use two pieces of measuring equipment, so a 0 to 1 micrometer and a depth micrometer. So what we have to remember when we're using one of these is the scale on it actually reads backwards. So that's really the only major thing different to a normal micrometer. So the first operation we'll do is, once we've removed the burrs, we'll face all four sides square. And we'll do that in the 3-jaw chuck, as they're all cylindrical and we just need them to be parallel to one another. So the bore is in 2 steps, there and at the end. So it sort of acts like its own gland. Once the burrs have been removed, we'll machine the whole length of it down. So as you can see at the minute, it measures in at 0.97895, whereas it should be 0.7, so we have quite a lot of material to remove there. But to see how much we need to remove from here to here, we will use the depth micrometer. So placing it on the top there, and then on the centre there, so we'll use the top face there, and the top of this face here, to see how much material we still have to remove. I'll put it into background, but just keep video. So the next operation, once I'd faced both ends, was to face these ends. Now, I didn't get any video of this because it was really quite pointless, but I did then go on to bore it out. So it's now sitting on the piece of ground bar which will form the piston. As you can see there in the bore, it was reamed at 1/4 of an inch. So in the video when you're watching me make this, I will apologise for the very loud noise, because next door to where I was turning there's a forge, and someone was using a 9-inch angle grinder and wasn't exactly doing it quietly. So the next process in next week's video will be these two ends here will be machined down, and it'll be bored through this way as well. And this piece of bar I'll also be machining down on the ends to take the piston, which we will also be making next week.